Hi guys, we're at Wansford Road level crossing in Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. That sounds like Caverswell. Down. This barrier does that really weird clicky noise. There we go, now the time is 15:20. And this is 4 on set. Right, there we go, now the time is 15:21 on the 6th of August on a Saturday. And this is for your 15:24 1 Juliet 30 Northern service from Bridlington to Sheffield. Oh. This barrier was made in 2014, Joe. The 16th of April 2014. When was yours made? Mine was
July 2014.
Mine was the 16th of April 2014. Joe, this one's the 16th of April 2014. This one was made. So yours was made on the 16th of July. Joe, the two barriers on your side of the road go up higher than the ones on my side. Oh, God. That noise again. SPX Rail Systems, please note that we are barrier companies that produce the best barriers ever. I won't say the best, but you know. I mean, these were made in 2014. Pretty sure these probably had GWE first gens in. Godwin engineers instead of. Also, what? Yeah. Maxionish, if you're watching this video, what does GWE stand? No, I mean SPX stand for. Because I know what Godwin GWE stands for. It stands for Godwin Engineers, but I want to know what SPX stands for. And I want to know why SPX changed their name from Rail Systems to Fluid. No, from Fluid Power to Rail Systems. So I know that they moved factory, but I want to know why there's Fluid Power and Rail Systems. 158901. 158901, and they up go.